Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today, I'm going to be making a bacon, egg, and cheese brunch bread. I'm going to be using my Bundt pan. So, if you're excited for the new year, then stick around for this video. Alright, so you'll need 3 cans of biscuits, and you'll go ahead and cut those biscuits in half. And we're going to need some sharp cheddar cheese, some bacon bits, and some scrambled eggs. And I scrambled about 5 eggs. And 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to be spraying my Bundt pan, but this is a non-stick pan, so I don't need to spray it. I'm just spraying it because that's just how I roll. So you don't have to spray your pan if it's non-stick. So go ahead and roll your dough into balls. We have rolled up all of our dough. We're going to go ahead and start assembling our brunch bread. So we're going to start with the bacon on the bottom. Now be sure to either cook your bacon fresh or get the real bacon bits. That way it tastes just like a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. Go ahead and sprinkle on your sharp cheddar cheese. And then after this, the next layer will be some biscuits. Alright, so we're going to pour on a little butter over the biscuits. Now, I'm only doing this because when I went to the grocery store, they did not have the butter biscuits. They were all out. So I'm using the original. So that's why I'm giving it a little extra kick by using some melted butter. Now I'm going to sprinkle on my scrambled eggs. Alright, next up, we're going to add on more bacon and more cheese and more biscuits, and until we get to the top of this pan. Now what I've learned from making this dish is that it was a lot of biscuits going on, so it was more biscuit than the toppings. So you might have to kind of like alternate and put less biscuit balls in this dish. All right, now this is the last layer. What I suggest from what I've learned from the end of this video, go ahead and put your bacon on and your butter, but wait on the cheese. Go ahead and bake your brunch bread, and then when it's done, you'll go ahead and put your cheese on top and put it back in the oven. That way your cheese is not too crispy if you don't like crispy. But if you like crispy cheese, then go ahead and put the cheese on top of your bread as your last layer. All right, we're going to put this baby in the oven on 350 for 45 to 55 minutes. And it's going to come out looking like this. Nice and crispy on top. Let your bread rest for 5 minutes before flipping so that it can bind together. And once it's done binding, it'll look like this. Nice and golden. Be sure to put a toothpick in your biscuits to make sure it comes out clean. And that way you know it's done. We're going to go ahead and cut into this baby. Now I know next time I make this that I will use less dough. And the cook time was pretty long. But if you have the patience, then go for it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit all notifications and just keep rocking with me. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.